Hi students, in last video we completed level 1 11 bits and level 2 8 bits completed. Next bit is 9th one in level 2. So read 9th bit. 1-chlorobutane when reacts with alcoholic potash gives. So here given 1-chlorobutane. So what is the structural formula of 1-chlorobutane? Butane means how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there, and chlorine atom is present on first carbon. So it is 1-chloro. Then here valency of carbon can be satisfied with hydrogen atoms. So it is a 1-chlorobutane. Means it is a CH3, CH2, 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 Cl, which is reacted with alcoholic potash. So when here haloalkanes are react with alcoholic potash, they form alkanes. Here Cl and potassium removed as KCl, and here hydrogen, here OH removed as H2O. And here one bond is broken on this carbon, another one is broken on this carbon, hence a new bond is found between these two carbon atoms. Thus here the product is CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. So it is a product. They asked product only, but they given names instead of this formula. So what is the name of this compound? Here double bond is present on first carbon and 4 carbons are there, hence it is the 1-butene. So product formed in this reaction is 1-butene. So which one is the correct option? So first one is 1-butene, this only given, hence it is the answer. Next bit. Here next also they given one equation, that is C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride reacted with KCN, potassium cyanide. It gives some compound product X, which on hydrolysis it gives Y. Then compounds X and Y are. So they asked both compounds here. First we have to take given equation, that is C2H5Cl plus KCl. When here ethyl chloride reacted with KCN, then here potassium and Cl removed as KCl, then we have ethyl cyanide. So it is the X. Again which on hydrolysis gives Y. Then on hydrolysis, what happened on hydrolysis? This cyanide group become as a carboxylic acid group. Thus here C2H5COOH. So it is the Y. Then what are X and Y? Here X is C2H5Cn and Y is C2H5COOH. So in which option they given? First one is C2H6. Is it X? No, it is wrong. And say in the second option C2H5Cn, correct only X, but Y is here propanoic acid, but they given ethane C2H6, so it is also wrong. Next option C2H5Cn, okay, correct only, but Y is wrong, this one. Next fourth one C2H5Cn, correct only, and C2H5COOH, this is also correct. Hence what is the answer? Fourth option is the answer. And next bit. Allyl halides can be prepared by all the following methods except here alkyl halides preparations are they given. In alkyl halides preparations, here first one is CH3 CH2OH. They are given alcohols. So ROH. Alcohols are react with hydrohalic acid. Example, hydrochloric acid. Heated with anhydrous zinc chloride. Then what happened here? So these two are removed as H2O. Then we got alkyl chlorides only. Thus here in first option here instead of R they given ethyl alcohol. So thus in this reaction we got ethyl chloride. Thus here first option see CH3 CH2OH which is react with HCl in the presence of ZnCl2. H2 are removed. Then CH3 CH2 Cl formed. So it is the alkyl halide only now, alkyl chloride only now. So this method is used for the preparation of alkyl chloride. But here second option they given alcohol again CH3COH CH2. Here double bond also is there. It is the alkenol. But they given what is the reagent? Thionyl chloride SOCl2 at 475 Kelvin. So this reagent also used for the preparation of alkyl halides. So what is the product formed here? CH3C, here Cl will come, double bond CH2. So here halogen compound formed, no? Thus it is also used for preparation of alkyl halides. And this is also used, no? Because it is the Hunsrück reaction, no? Here CH3COOAg, that is silver acetate, react with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Then what is the product formed here? CH3 here Br. What are the byproducts? CO2 here removed and AgBr. These are the byproducts. So thus the first option, in second option and fourth options are used for the preparation of alkyl halides. But what about third option? Here there is no alkyl halide formed, because here when alcohols are reacted with aqueous sodium chloride, so water is more polar than alcohol. Thus water molecules can bonded with sodium chloride only. Thus there is no alkyl halide formed. Thus what is the answer here? Third option is the answer, because they are asked. So all the methods except which one? So except third option, remaining in three options, so we can prepare alkyl halides. So hence answer is third one. Next one, here ethanol react with iodine in the presence of phosphorus. Ethanol, what is the formula? C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol, nothing but ethanol, which is react with iodine in the presence of phosphorus. It gives X. So when alcohols are react with halogens in the presence of phosphorus, they form haloalkanes. Thus here we get iodoethane or ethyl iodide. It is the X. Next here they react with first one is alcoholic KOH. Here two steps are given, 1 and 2. If they do not give these two, then that considered as a single step, but they given 1 and 2. That means so here two steps are involved. First one is reacted with alcoholic KOH. When alcoholic KOH is react with this ethyl iodide, then we get alkene, because it can be written as here CH3 CH2I, this only, no? Then here potassium iodide removed as Ki. and here hydrogen OH removed as water. Thus here new bond is formed between these two carbon atoms. Thus here we get ethene or ethylene. What is the next step given? React with HBr. Then it is the addition reaction. This hydrogen can be added to this carbon and this Br is added to this carbon. Then we get CH3 CH2 Br. This only, no? So what they given here? So this reaction given, it is the X means ethyl iodide, and here it is the Y. What is the Y here? This ethyl bromide or bromoethane is Y. What they asked in this sequence of reaction, Y is, what is the Y? Ethyl bromide, or another name is bromoethane. Where is it? Check it. First one ethene. Ethene, is it correct? No, because it is X only, but they asked Y. Second option is bromoethane, hence it is the Y. Hence answer is second one. Okay, next bit. What are X and Y respectively in the following reaction? They asked X and Y. So which reaction is given here? They given X, which is react with PBr3. So here when alkyl halides react with PBr3, we know that we get which one? Alkyl bromides only. So here we don't know this one X. Then here what is the Dodgen's reaction? Dodgen's reaction. So Dodgen's reaction means here when alcohols are react with PBr3 or PCl5 or PCl3 or PBr5 or SOCl2. When alcohols are react with these all reagents, we get corresponding alkyl halides. So here they given a C2H5Br because they given here PBr3. Hence here what they given? C2H5Br given, and here it is PBr3.